to our traveling family, Engberts Adventures. Join our journey.
Welcome back to Joe Malaysia. Today we are exploring Legoland Waterpark, right next to the theme park we went to last week. There are of course many water slides for old and young. There's a build-a-raft river where you can build your own Lego raft, the wave pool movie theater, and so much more. Join us as we'll show you all this place has to offer.
Super cool.
Before heading inside though, we first sneaked by security inside the Lego hotel that's only for staying guests, which we are not.
We
gaan even naar de reception, ja? Dat is G.
Okay. They're so young. Cool, Mama.
It was definitely worth the risk. It looks really cool inside. Anyway, let's get to the pool.
Daar zijn de races, joh. Helemaal daarboven, denk ik.
So far we are loving this water park. There's really something for any age and the facilities are very family friendly. It is significantly smaller than a theme park, for example, so if you're going to both, I would suggest spending more time there than here, and check online for the best combo deals for the tickets. The food was average but good enough for the kids, and the table made up for it with some dry humor. But we are not finished yet, there's still lots more to show you, so let's dive in. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope we've inspired you to spend more time with your loved ones. And if you like this one, make sure to follow our channel for more family fun next week. See you next time. Bye! Oh, ga je erin? Veel plezier!